In the new era of artificial intelligence AI, the F-47 stealth fighter stands at the center of a revolution in air power. No longer just a fighter jet, the F-47 serves as the command brain of an entire AI-driven aerial ecosystem. From its advanced cockpit, one pilot can command multiple autonomous loyal wingmen drones, each controlled by the onboard Aegis combat brain. This powerful AI network allows the F-47 to operate as a flying commander, orchestrating complex missions that blend human instinct with machine precision. Developed under the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, the F-47 AI system was designed to share data, adapt to enemy tactics, and make split-second combat decisions faster than any human could. Connected by quantum-encrypted communication links, the F-47 and its drones act as one intelligent unit, scouting, jamming, and striking simultaneously. Each drone has a role. One maps radar signatures, another intercepts missiles, while a third executes an electronic warfare attack. Every command is optimized by AI algorithms processing millions of variables per second. In live simulations, the F-47's AI-coordinated squadrons have proven 3 times more effective than conventional fighters. A single F-47 can control up to 6 AI wingmen in real time, performing stealth operations without radio emissions or detection. After every mission, the data is uploaded to a global neural network, allowing the AI to learn, evolve, and update across the entire fleet. Every flight makes every F-47 smarter, creating a digital collective brain in the sky.
Returning to base.
Yet, this AI evolution raises ethical questions. Critics warn of machines making autonomous combat choices. The Pentagon's human-in-the-loop rule ensures AI cannot fire weapons without human confirmation. To maintain control, the F-47 employs a cognitive integrity module, an AI layer that enforces ethical boundaries and prevents unauthorized actions. Supporters argue that AI-powered air warfare is not about replacing pilots, it's about survival in a world of hypersonic weapons and automated defense systems. The F-47 AI architecture enhances human judgment with speed and accuracy no pilot can match. Together, man and machine fight as one intuition meets computation. Strategically, the F-47's AI wingmen redefine air dominance. Instead of sending squadrons of fighters into hostile zones, one F-47 can deploy a network of drones to conduct reconnaissance, suppression, and strike missions simultaneously. This AI air combat system reduces risk, cost, and manpower while increasing operational range and power. Even if the command jet is destroyed, the autonomous swarm continues to fight, ensuring mission completion. As other nations race to catch up, programs like China's J-50 and Russia's S-70 Okhotnik attempt to mimic the F-47's AI ecosystem, but none have achieved the same AI fusion and autonomy that define the American model. By 2030, this fusion of AI and aerial warfare is expected to become the foundation of all next-generation fighter doctrines. The F-47 represents the ultimate partnership between man and machine, trust, intelligence, and precision in perfect balance. It's not just the next fighter jet. It's a thinking system that learns, adapts, and leads. The pilot no longer flies alone, he commands an intelligent formation, a living network of AI, steel, and speed. And as the F-47's formation fades into the clouds, one truth remains. The age of AI-guided air power has begun, and the F-47 is leading the way.